Hey everyone. So we're on week 3 already. So you guys did a really good job with journals, which we already have practiced with, and the discussions. I was pretty impressed by the quality of work. So just kind of reiterate what I've said in a lot of your comments. I really encourage you to spend an equal, like a quite a bit of time summarizing the articles and then comparing them. And I want you to go quite a bit in depth with these articles. And don't just give me surface level answers. Um, a lot of your questions were really good and they generated a lot of great discussion. So I'm really happy about that. So moving on to module 3, there's quite a bit that's due this week. So let's quickly go over some of that. So this is the module 3. That's a culture. So this upcoming week, we're going to focus on culture and society. So again, um, read the purpose and the outcomes and the resources. So you'll see that we have textbook readings this week. And this is what the books look like. So if you have not already ordered the books or gotten them, please do so. But if you haven't, try to check them out from the library if you're in Minnesota, and you could probably get a copy of them. And if you're abroad and need just certain chapters, check out the interlibrary library loan through our library. And actually, maybe we can go through that really quickly. So UMN Library, University of Minnesota Libraries, and if you scroll down, you'll see it right here. So click on it, and then you can get a book chapter. And if you enter all of the data, make sure you click this is a required reading for the class, and so you'll be able to get a copy of it. So back to the course material. So all of this is due. Please do pay attention to all the sections in the 4.1. So if you click on this, if you click on contents, this is how you get access to exactly what you're meant to be reading. So back to the module. So we have 4 things due this week, which is also quite a bit. So the reading, journal, and the discussion, we've done that already, and you guys have practice. So the assignment is what's new, and it's 25 points. So what you're expected to do is read these prompts and pick 2 methodological approaches that each of these sociologists could answer their question. And you're expected to go into depth. Why did you pick these methodological approaches? What are the strengths and weaknesses of each one? Why do these specifically help you answer what they're trying to answer? So if we go to the research method guidelines, again, they're stated here, 200 to 400 per question per sociologist. And this is a grading rubric. So again, follow it closely. I'll be grading from it pretty closely. And then last but not least, we have initial course feedback. So give me feedback through this, and I'll read it closely and see if we can incorporate any of your suggestions. So that's all for this week. Again, utilize the Q&A for the discussions. If you have any questions, send me emails. I'll respond. If you need to meet with me, I'm happy to do that. Otherwise, we're all good to go for next week. And I'll submit so in this announcement, there's details of also the deadlines and everything. So good luck, and I look forward to talking to you next week.